H3 make it rain down.
What?
Rain down. Did I scare you?
No.
H3 make it rain, cause you gotta make it rain. And today, bro, our new Popeyes. So we're gonna try the new the honey mustard Popeyes. I mean, out of this table. Let me fix this camera real quick. Let me see my mic on. So I'm trying to what's my straw at too? My straw on the floor. But we're gonna be trying the new honey mustard wrap, the new honey mustard chicken wrap. I might as well just rip this bag. And I got me some lemonade too. Got me some lemonade. I think this is the new premium lemonade or something like that. But yeah, but I be hearing that the chicken wraps be good at Popeyes too. By the way, it be hella good at Popeyes. Let me mix this up. So I might should try because I don't know what all the fuss is about. You know, I just want to know like what's the fuss is about. So I'm gonna try this. Try this real quick. And I got me some Cajun fries, some French fries. They know they French fries be good. Hey, y'all let me know who has the best French fries, McDonald's or this? I ain't gonna lie. I got Popeyes. I got Popeyes the best French fries out of McDonald's because it's more salty. You know, it's more like I don't know. It just tastes good. Shut up.
Oh!
Damn. A fucking bird.
Relax, dude. Take it easy, man. Cool your beans, bro.
Alright, bro. So let's eat the honey chicken wrap. Okay. This what it look like right here. Oh shit. This what it look like right here. It looks okay. But like what I said like my last video that I tried it's getting dark. You know what I'm saying? But remember the last video I tried the burrito. Yeah, I tried the burrito and then it had like it's not grilled, it wasn't grilled out of the way. You know? But it looks good though. It just had to be grilled. Mm. It's good too. But it kind of reminds me of the Popeye chicken sandwich. Damn, it kind of reminds me of the Popeye chicken sandwich because it had like pickles, lettuce, and stuff, and then the chicken too. But they just made it as like the wrap, the chicken wrap. You know what I mean? Like it made it like at the fucking wrap. But it's good though. No, I forgot to tell you, thank you for 700 subscribers, bro. Thank you for 700 subscribers, bro. We almost at 1K. We almost at 1K. Nah, let me see this price over here. But it's doing good though. It's doing good. Mm. Oh, yeah, they got the cheese inside of it too. Good. Um. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got some on I got some on that Wendy's too. I still haven't tried a new Taki meal. I got some on Wendy's shit too. This is my first meal of the day. This is my first meal, so I just woke up like, hey, you know, I was thinking like, hey, let me get some Popeyes.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
I mean, I owe y'all anyway, because that's what I was gonna get y'all a mukbang. New Popeyes. Alright. Get your honey mustard sauce. I should have got me that sauce too. It's a special sauce too. But hey, can y'all hear that bird? Whatever. It's good. I bet you can't see my camera because it's the sun. I'm next to the sun. But I would just out a 9.5 out of 10. The reason why it's not a full 10, along with the drink too, a 9.5 out of 10. Let me put this over here. But the reason why it's not like a 10, it's got to be like, hey, pause, no homo, but it's got to be like longer, you know?
Oh, nigga, you gay.
Because I seen chicken wraps are like, that's long, you know? Pause. But like, I seen chicken wraps are like, that's long. So, and this chicken wrap is good too. It's good. Like the taste, it's 10 out of 10 to be honest. The taste is a 10 out of 10. But like, my standpoint is like, they need to make it like a little bit more longer because that is like I can eat that shit like in one bite, you know, like everybody can, to be honest. Even a 2-year-old can eat that shit in one bite, you know. But this lemonade is good too. Hey, but overall it's a 9.5. I mean, that's not a bad number, bro. That's like almost an A plus. It's like an A. No, 95% in the test. Yeah, but hey, I got some on the let me see my mukbang. But I got some on that Wendy's mukbang though. You know, man, I don't know when though, but one of my next video too should be that too. I'm also gonna hoop too. 1v1 somebody too. You know, yeah, but man, but like we almost at 1K, but just our last video did really good. Guys, my phone overheated. Yeah, I need to buy my camera. I need to buy a camera. Yeah, but like, but I enjoyed the food and stuff. You know, the food was good, but like, should add like a little bit more detail to it. Not detail, like make the food a little bit more like bigger. You know. but oh, as you can see, I got my earrings done too. I got my earrings, you know. Alright, hey man, I hope you enjoyed watching the mukbang. H3 is out. Peace, love y'all.